If you're looking to effectively track and manage payments using SuiteDash, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we're diving straight into how SuiteDash handles payment tracking and management, and we'll also highlight a few key features and tips to make your experience smoother. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to maximize your use of SuiteDash, and I'll share an alternative that might better suit your needs with an exclusive free trial. To get started, let's first talk about the payment tracking system within SuiteDash. SuiteDash offers a customizable invoicing feature that allows you to set up recurring invoices, one-time payments, and more. You can easily track payment statuses like paid, unpaid, or overdue. But while SuiteDash makes it relatively simple, if you're looking for more advanced tracking options with detailed payment reports, it can feel a bit limiting. The invoicing system is straightforward, but it might not offer all the detailed reporting some businesses need. Next thing, payment reminders. SuiteDash includes automatic payment reminders that can be set up to notify your clients when invoices are due or overdue. This is a handy feature to make sure you don't miss any payments. But here's where things can get tricky. If you're managing a high volume of invoices, you might find the reminder customization option somewhat basic. You can set general reminders, but there isn't a ton of flexibility for tailoring them to specific clients or situations. The third thing to know is the client portal. SuiteDash allows your clients to access a dedicated portal where they can view and pay their invoices. This is great for providing transparency, and it keeps everything in one place. However, the client experience here isn't always the smoothest. It works, but compared to competitors, some users report that the interface feels a bit clunky and not as intuitive as it could be. Moving on, let's touch on the integration capabilities. SuiteDash can connect with various payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, which makes it easy for clients to pay using their preferred methods. But one issue here is that some users find the integration process a bit cumbersome. It's not the worst, but it's definitely not as seamless as you might expect from a modern payment solution. And if you're looking for more advanced integrations, you may run into some limitations. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. Now, while SuiteDash can be a solid choice for payment tracking and management, it might not always be the best fit for every business. If you're looking for a more robust, user-friendly payment management system, there are alternatives that could be a better fit. And here's the best part, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. These alternatives are worth checking out if you're aiming for more advanced features or a more streamlined experience. Remember, SuiteDash does offer a range of useful features, but if you're looking for more flexibility and better customization options, it might be time to explore other solutions. And if you stick around, I'll share the best alternatives that have better payment tracking and management features.